Hi, Donald Sharper here from Winston. We're here to introduce and educate our partners around the world about this new fryer table that we have created as an accessory to go with Kletchromatics, whether LPs or PFs. It's designed to fit between the two fryers perfectly using the same mounting screws, and it was designed specifically wide enough to hold the filter machine. When we hear a lot of people saying they don't have a place to store the filter, so it's designed to hold it all the way in there, store it all the way up underneath. The top shelf is AC 1019, and each subsequent shelf modular. You can add 1, 2, or 3 of your shelves. AC 1020 is available in Partstown. Really good design, and what it is, it holds 2 baskets completely as well. And to kind of help show a few more things, and when you remove the baskets out of the way, more than just holding the filter machine and the paper, it actually holds the tools. Finally, after all these years, a place to store the plugging tool when you're done. It sits right there. You have your scraper right here nearby, and it even holds your brushes. So it's designed to kind of get all those tools out of the way. And then you're probably going to complain, well, where do I put the drain hook? So when you have your baskets here, then you can hang the drain hook right here on the table to get things out of the way. So it's a great new accessory. It's extremely economical and helps create more space. All the fryers that leave our factories also come with these hooks. So in addition to this table, you also have a built-in table right next to your fryers, and you can work right there. It holds a full-size sheet pan that way. You can work with half size or this way. So you get multiple workable stations, so it becomes its own modular space for your space-saving kitchens. Between the table and the hooks, gives you everything you need right there in a place to store the filter and filter paper and all your other tools. We think it's a great resource for you. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, call your regional manager or your rep partner. We're glad to help you.